The magic is in the mantra. The magic is Bhagavan and his kripa. You may chant and get his kripa, or you may chant and not get his kripa, because it's kripa. Kripa means causeless. If you do something to get it, it's not kripa. You can chant 5 lakhs a day and not get the mercy of Krishna. And someone else can chant 1 round a day and get the full mercy of Krishna. It's not mechanical at all. No way. There's no mechanical formula. If you read shlokas, it says in Chaitanya Charitamrita, anyone who chants 64 rounds, he'll get siddhi. You'll get siddhi if you chant 1 name. That's also true. What's true for 64 is also true for 1. It's the same name. If you'll get siddhi by chant, anyone who chants 64 rounds a day, he'll get siddhi. Lord Chaitanya said. But what about 10 offenses? Oh yeah, that's also there. What about your attitude? That's also there. What about your sanskaras? That's also there. What about your nature? That's also there. So, because people misunderstand these ideas. Because when is a shastra, these are glorifications. The name has such power. If you chant 64. I know devotees have been chanting 64 rounds and even more for 20, 30 years. They don't have siddhi. And they're vairagis. They're vairagis. They have apparently nothing external in this world. But somehow they're not getting that siddhi. Because that mercy is with Krishna. That's the whole idea of mercy. If he wants to give, he gives. If he doesn't want to give, he doesn't give. So who does he give mercy to? He says in Gita, I'm equal to everyone, but I favor my devotees. So devotees generally they receive more mercy from God than the non-devotees. Because Krishna says, Samaham sarvabhuteshu name dveshu striyapriya. So for my bhaktas, I'm equal to everyone. Samaham sarvabhuteshu. I'm equal to all living entities, but for my devotees I show special favor.